Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to limit your Google Forms to maximum of one form per person, so one response, or how you can add a person, how you can let people have more responses than they would like. So, first of all, we're going to choose a template. So, once we've chosen our template, we're going to go over to responses. So you can link it to sheets here, that's how you do that. But how you limit them is go to settings, go to responses. You can add collect email addresses if you wanted to collect the email addresses, and you can add a limit to one response. So if you have this on, they're gonna have to be required to sign in so they can answer your form. But you can turn it off, and then they're not limited by just one response. They can add as many responses to the form as they would like. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.